Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Bronco soft top. Getting your Bronco ready for an open-air adventure is straightforward with a few simple steps. We will cover everything from unlatching the front to completely lifting the top off. Following these instructions carefully will help you enjoy the full convertible experience safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, let's tackle the windows. Start with the rear quarter windows by releasing the Velcro at the top and pulling the fabric edge out. Then, unbuckle the 3 clips and slide the panel forward. Repeat this for the other side. For the rear window, release its top Velcro, unclip the 4 fasteners, and carefully slide it out. This prepares your Bronco for the next step. Now, let's fold the main soft top. Inside your Bronco, lower both sun visors. Reach up and release the 2 latches located in the headliner above the windshield. With these unlatched, gently push the soft top upward and fold it towards the rear of the vehicle. Make sure the fabric folds into a smooth S-shape to avoid any creases or damage. For complete removal, you'll need a friend. First, remove the plastic panel covers above the rear wheel wells in the cargo area. Using your Bronco toolkit, remove the 3 13mm bolts on each side. Next, push up on the 2 latches at the soft top's rear corners. With assistance, carefully lift the entire soft top straight up and off your Bronco, clearing the spare tire. Store it securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.